Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have a Dollarama haul to share with you. A lot of exciting stuff. I've been into Dollarama a few times in the last week, so I'm going to share a few hauls for the next couple of weeks, and they are totally stepping up their game. I've said this before, but they are. And they have wonderful items that I'd love to share with you. So if you want to see what I got, please keep on watching. So to begin, I picked up this little decorator planter vase. It's a black ceramic with this faux greenery. It's super cute. I'm actually going to split up this greenery and I'll share with you what I did with it. But I'm actually really loving greenery and succulents this year. So it was $3.50, a little bit on the pricier side, but for what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to split the cost in half. It's not so bad. And here's how I incorporated the greenery. I had bought these little decorator vases from Umbra with the rose gold metal finishing around it. So I just split them up and put them in there. And I thought it looked super cute. Next, you probably had seen this from my walkthrough Dollarama. I purchased this little tooth fairy. She's so cute. She has these cute little wings in the background, a ponytail, and a little wand. And I'm hoping to use this, or I'm hoping to personalize this with my niece's name by using the Cricut. This was $4, but it was so cute, I couldn't leave that behind. Next, I purchased 2 of these Valentine Day kitchen towels. And again, I have a project I'd like to do with my Cricut machine. And these were $2.50 each. They have a variety of styles, but I picked this one just because of all that white space. Again, I want to personalize it. So here's the second one. Next, I picked up a pair of these Comfy Toes extra long socks / slippers. These were $3.50 and they have those little rubber bottoms, the grip, so you don't slip and slide, and they're, oh my goodness, so super soft and cozy. Just like that little picture displays, you know, sitting by the fire. So cozy. I also picked up these gel pens. There's 12 in a package. These are black ink and they're $2.50. Picked up some of these frozen bath fizzes. There's 8 fizzes in the package and they're multicolored, and I picked those up for Isabella for the ages 3+. Also picked up one of these cutter knives. This was $1.25. I didn't have one, so I decided to pick one up to keep in my craft area. I needed some parchment paper, so I picked up this Betty Crocker brand. Again, this is not for the kitchen, it is for my craft area. So I wanted to keep one in stock there. And this was $2. Picked up this adorable cake tray. I had seen the beige or that mushroom colored one, but I hadn't seen this Tiffany blue. It's so pretty. This was $4 and I just love the detail. I love the size. It isn't too big nor is it too small. Even to display some items, super duper cute. Couldn't leave that behind either. For my craft area, I also needed some Sharpie markers, so I picked up a package of 2 just in the plain black ink. To my surprise, I also found the One-A-Day Women's multivitamins. These are actually the ones I take. These are the gummies, and these were $4 with a great expiry date, as you can see there, September 2018, and these were $4, and these normally sell for, I believe it's $9.97 at Walmart, so great deal. By the Jolie brand, I also picked up these makeup brushes. I've had pretty much good luck with the makeup brushes at Dollarama, and these seem really nice. Maybe I'll share a review with you if you're interested. This is the eye defining brush set. So you can never have too many eye brushes. So I picked one of those up and those were $4 as well. I also picked up by the Jolie brand this powder brush. Again, the last one I picked up, I believe it was the Lori brand with the silver barrel, and that was a powder brush and I had great luck with that, so hopefully this will be the same. I picked up some of these mini snack storage containers. There's 3 in a package for $1.50 and these are BPA free, and I like that they have the little snap-on lids. It just makes it easier for Isabella when she's opening them. And I also picked up this larger package. These only have 2, also for $1.50. Needed some tape, so I picked up a roll of tape. This is the transparent tape by the Studio brand, and this was $1. I needed some of these foil baking pans, so I picked up 1 package, and there are 3 in a package. These are actually the low. Also picked up another roll of tape. However, this is the double-sided tape, again by the Studio brand. Also picked up a 9-volt battery by the Panasonic brand. I picked up a gray ceramic mug. This was $2. And again, this is for a DIY I'm making. And I like the handle because my entire hand fits there, not just a couple of fingers. So it's very comfortable on the hand. This was a score. So this was $4. It's a Toronto Maple Leafs official t-shirt. And I purchased it in the size large because they are more of a slim fit. And I have something in mind for this. I'm going to personalize it. And again, you can see it's the NHL brand. And for $4, you cannot beat that. So that was a great, great deal. And it's super, super cute. It's white and it has almost like this little transparent areas, but not being transparent, if you understand what I'm trying to say. And the Maple Leafs actually has a little bit of bling on there. Super duper cute. If you find these, I recommend that you pick them up. Okay, this was the piece de resistance. So my Dollarama had this beautiful faux fur pillow. Gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous. It is so soft. It is like the Bouclair, HomeSense, Marshalls type pillow. This was $4 and it's by the D Mansion brand, but it is such a beautiful color. It's like a gray with hints of black, hints of beige. So, so beautiful. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you and compare to a Bouclair pillow that I paid $40 for. And honestly, you cannot tell the difference. $4, guys. This is an absolutely insane price. Okay, so this is the Bouclair one I purchased. Yes, this one's rectangular, whereas the one from Dollarama is square. But the quality, honestly, it's pretty much the same. And they did have a variety of colors. That one just blends with my decor so well. So that concludes the end of this Dollarama haul. A lot of great things. So stay tuned for more Dollarama hauls in the very near future. As I mentioned, I have gone a few times and I love to share with you what I got. So again, like always, thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you on my next video. Bye everyone.